a boat species hunt. It's an individual angler competition. So we start off with getting our administration sorted with all our rigs, fish ID book. We've got an emergency radio there in case our fixed radio goes. We got our tidal book, and at the back, if you come with me, you'll see we've got some rods. There's only 2 rods allowed in the comp, so one of these 2 rods will be used, but we've got them all set up ready to go. And it's going to be a lovely day. The sea state is absolutely fantastic at the moment, so yeah, we're looking to see that it's going to be a good day and it'll all go well. Okay, so today's plan is, along with any fishing plan, is based around the tides. So we're just about to start the ebb now out of Poole Harbour. So when we get through the haven, we're going to see if we can spin for a bass. Then we'll take up a mark and then fish for the rays, because they fish best on the ebb. And when the slack comes, we'll go into deeper water to see if we get the bigger fish. And then when the tide starts running again, then we'll go for the mini species. So yeah, that's today's plan. Okay, so the spinning's not produced a bass, so we've now put over a small place rig and we're now drifting for see if we can get a place. Okay, so we've got to our ray mark, so we're going to put a piece of squid on, whole squid, and throw it out to see how we go. The tide is ebbing nicely. Little bite there, so what we'll do is we'll let that, if it is a ray, continue to bite it down. As you can see, it's going. Whoa, so give it a bit of line and let's set the hook, and I think this is probably a dogfish. So our first species is a dogfish. Hopefully they're not going to plague us too much today. So he'll go back. Okay, so we've got a little bream on the second rod, a little female black bream, and she's going back. So that's our bait for the day. Okay, so I've got something a little bit heavier on here. It's going like a taupe. Ooh. Yeah, it feels very taupe-ish. We've got a fresh bit of mackerel on. And he's nodded his head. He's not happy. And I'm just going to give him a little bit of slack. Ooh. I just need to tire him out. You should see him in a little while, hopefully. But we'll only see him when he's ready to come up. Otherwise he's got to take time. So I can see the leader. Yeah, I can see the leader, and here he is. feeder, and that's the catch. And there we go. Oh. One little take. Here we go. We got ourselves a little ballan. We're settled on Poole patch, and we're going for the new species. We've had green ballan out so far, so hopefully we'll get some new species come out soon. Okay, so we've got a bit of mackerel, and I've got a feeling this might even be a bass because it took it and went right billio. Yeah, I reckon that is a bass, so I'm going to need the net. Okay, so we've got ourselves a nice, that's about 3 to 4 pound bass, maybe even heavier, and a nice bit of mackerel. So we've now been drifting for a place, and that's going to be our last catch of the day. What a beauty. There you go. And a beautiful specimen, so we're going to put her back. Well, that was an interesting day. We caught a total of 8 species, which isn't brilliant, but it's not bad. But what was good about today with highlights, the taupe, they were mad, a nice bass that come on board, a nice place. So we had plenty of good fish. We just didn't quite have as many species as we thought we was going to get. But I think a total of 38 fish I caught today. So yeah, really good day, tired,